curious about tapping into WhatsApp messages using Plivo? Let's cut through the confusion and explore exactly what's possible and what's not in this quick guide. First, the straight talk, Plivo doesn't directly let you check or monitor individual user WhatsApp messages. WhatsApp's end-tone encryption protects to user privacy, blocking third-party access like Plivo from directly reading message content. However, Plivo can integrate with the WhatsApp Business API. This allows businesses to send and receive messages as part of customer service or marketing efforts, provided users opt in, think appointment reminders or order updates. The key is using Plivo with a WhatsApp business account. When a user sends a message to your WhatsApp business number, that message passes through WhatsApp's Business API and arrives on the Plivo platform, allowing you to manage and respond. On Plivo, you can automate responses, track delivery status, and analyze message performance, giving you insights into your communication strategy. This requires setting up your Plivo account, linking your WhatsApp business account, and using Plivo's APIs to manage the flow. Remember, compliance is crucial. You must adhere to WhatsApp's business policies and obtain user consent before sending any messages. Avoid sending unsolicited messages or violating user privacy, as this can lead to account suspension. So, while you can't check private WhatsApp messages, Plivo empowers you to build robust, compliant communication solutions through the WhatsApp Business API. Explore Plivo's documentation for detailed instructions on setting this up and start connecting with your customers effectively. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful integrations.